Hi everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add out of stock notifications in Shopify. So now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Adding out of stock notification is pretty easy. You can use any of the pop-up builder. So you can see we have this popped in, and using this you can easily add different type of pop-ups that we do not have currently. Some particular product and it is currently out of stock. You can see if you head of your products, you can see we have different products going on in here as well. You can select any of these and head over to more actions, and you can also remove it if it is out of stock. So yeah, currently if you simply this is going to be all are going to be sold, 10 are currently in stock, but let's just say all of these are going to be sold, then it is going to be automatically be shown out of stock. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.